show. Today we have this great recipe. We call it starch. So I'm going to show you how I make my starch. And this is one of the most favorite food for we Nigerians. So this is the starch I'm going to be using. This is tapioca starch. This is dried starch. This one is the one I will be using, and this is the palm oil I will be adding to it. So right now I'm just going to show you how I made this starch. So this one, we're just going to put them in the pot. So next thing we're just going to add is water. You need to know how to measure the water to it, because when you are making it, when it's getting cooked and you start adding water, it's very hard to mix. So you need to mix all the water at first. So you see, just add this water to it and mix everything together. I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is it, and just mix it. Just gonna make everything become liquid. You will see the consistency is not gonna be so dense. It's just gonna be like a little bit light, and you see. So this is it. This is the starch. It's hard to mix anyway, but when you start mixing it, just know that. Make sure all the lumps inside is melt. Just continue to do it until everything is melt out. So you see, this is it. Then now you're just going to add oil. So your oil is depend on how you want it. If you want it yellow, you can add three tablespoons or 4. It depends on the quantity you are making. So now I am not going to make it over yellow. Just going to add 1 full. You see? So this is it. Enough. So right now I'm just going to place it on the cooking stove and start to mix it until it becomes starch. So don't worry, you will see how this starch will formulate and become food. So this is the starch. So we're just gonna start mixing it like this until I will bring you to all the process. So this is the starting now. So this is it, you see. So it's continuing to become very solid. So we're still gonna start mixing it until it becomes starch. This is the starch now. It's almost cooked. So we just have to let it cook more, a little bit more. So this is the starch, you see. This is it. It's very cooked, very well cooked now. So it's time to just serve this very delicious starch. So this is how to make your starch. You see, it's very smooth. So this is it. This is one of the starch you will enjoy eating. So watch out. So it's time to serve this starch. It's very easy. This is it. Got another one. Always have water in hand when you dip your cutting spoon. So this is the starch, is already portioned out. So wash out this video, share this video, and also like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video, and God bless you as you do. Thank you. See you for the next great recipe.